Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can custom or adjust the opacity of your HUD in Battle Royale mode. So, for example, you can make it this rotation smaller to make your move more agile. So, what you need to do is click the setting button, click the setting, click the custom layout. As you can see, you can customize your HUD here. So I'm going to scale this down smaller, save, back to the game. As you can see, my moving rotation is smaller and I'm agile here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.